Hey folks, Maswak from WM Originals back with another video, and today I want to show you all the best all-in-one ChatGPT Chrome extension for web that can be your all-in-one ChatGPT Copilot for web and a handy Bing Sidebar alternative which is BrowserGPT from AI. First, we can simply install it on our browser and get instant AI assistance for content writing, paraphrasing, grammar checking, composing emails and replies anytime and anywhere. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know more about BrowserGPT and how we can use it. First, BrowserGPT is an all-in-one ChatGPT Chrome extension for web which is best ChatGPT Copilot for web, and that is all we need to enhance our social media posts to boost connections, get hashtag suggestions to increase visibility and traffic. We can use it on Facebook, Instagram, X previously known as Twitter, Reddit and more. Not only this, we can also use it on Google Docs to write content like Notion AI. First, the content written using BrowserGPT will be 0% plagiarism and can improve our SEO. Simply name it and we can use BrowserGPT anywhere on the web. That's simply insane. Let's get started to know how to use BrowserGPT, and for that simply follow the links in description and pin comment to visit BrowserGPT official website. Now simply click on add to Chrome. First, if you are using Edge browser, then you can use BrowserGPT on that as well, as it supports all leading web browsers. So whatever web browser you are using, BrowserGPT is there for you. Now once we have got BrowserGPT extension installed on our Chrome browser, we can get started with using it. So first, let's get started and firstly know how to use BrowserGPT in Google Docs. And for that, let's open Google Doc. Now put double backslashes. Here we can start writing brainstorm ideas, blog post, outline, social media post, press release, creative story, essay, meeting agenda, pros and cons list, job description, sales email and recruiting email. Let's write a blog post, and for that selected blog post. Now we need to write a topic for blog post. Let's write a blog post about social media and then click on this. BrowserGPT will write a blog post for us on social media, and once it's done, here we have our blog post ready. It's quite comprehensive blog post that we have got. We can click done or continue writing, can also shorten it or make it longer with more content. Click try again if we don't like content generated, or click discard. Let's click done. See, here we have a well detailed blog post ready on topic social media. So folks, that's how easily we can utilize BrowserGPT with Google Docs. Not only this, we also get Bing Sidebar like sidebar with BrowserGPT that we can use to create content for a tweet on X, can make a post for Facebook. Is the BrowserGPT sidebar the best alternative for Bing Sidebar? Let's check it out ourselves. Here we can search for a keyword like searching for Microsoft Copilot. Now along with Google search results, we also get BrowserGPT generated box with all the information about Microsoft Copilot without even opening any search results. We also get further links to get more information about Microsoft Copilot, or can also continue in chat to get further information on the topic. Is not this amazing? What do you say about it? Share your views in comments. First, we can access BrowserGPT sidebar from this button or by pressing Ctrl+P. Here we can continue the chat or can also write content. Let's write a tweet for X, and for that simply click on this. It will expand with more options. Now click on social media. Here we get different options like Twitter tweets, Twitter threads, Instagram captions, Instagram hashtag generator and more. Now to write a tweet for X, simply click on Twitter tweets. Here we need to write a prompt for our tweet. Let's suppose we want to write a tweet about T20 World Cup 2024 that is happening in USA and West Indies. So for that, writing T20 World Cup 2024 in United States and West Indies. Now we can select target audience, select it everyone, can select tone of voice to be professional, friendly, engaging, conversational and more. Selected engaging. Next we get option to select language. We can select a language as per our requirement. I am selecting English. Thereafter we get option to add hashtags or can also disable it. Can also add emoji or disable it. I have enabled hashtags and emojis as well. Next we can select GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. Selected GPT 4. Now to generate content for tweet, simply click generate. This will generate content for tweet and boom, here we have content ready. See, this looks simply amazing. The content looks so engaging. We can simply post it on our X account to make it more engaging. Similarly, you can use BrowserGPT to create content for different social media and boost your connections to increase visibility and followers. First, I am simply loving what we can achieve using BrowserGPT and there is so much more we can do with it. I will highly recommend you all to try out BrowserGPT. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?